Hello, my dear ladies and my little men. How are you and how are your brilliant moms? Here I am with the Saturday story. Are you all ready? So let's get started. The story's name is Selfish Sammy by Annette Blyton. Selfish Sammy. So it starts like this. Millie and James were staying with their cousin Sammy. So who's staying with Sammy? Millie and James. They did not like him a bit. He wouldn't let them play with his best toys, and he would not even let them read one of his books unless he held it. So कैसे था कि why didn't they like him? Because वो उनको अपने best toy से खेलने नहीं देता था, right? And he would not even let them read his book. Hello Amna, lovely to see you. Thank you for joining in. और वो अपनी book भी खुद पकड़ता था. He would hold it and let them read. Thank you Amna. Welcome. And it is most uncomfortable to read a book that someone else is holding up. किसी और ने मेरी book पढ़ी हो तो मैं ऐसे पढ़ूं तो it's not easy. Okay, Amna, can I make a request to you? Could you ask around, and you also like I'm on YouTube also and on Scary Ammi. Can you like my story and subscribe it also on YouTube? And could you spread the word around for me? I'll be very grateful. Thank you. As I'm grateful for Scary Ammi. He was a greedy boy too. Not was he selfish. He did not share his things. He was greedy. He liked to have the biggest slice of cake. Biggest slice. Now that's not fair. Should you think so? He won't let them. Okay. And he wanted the biggest piece of pudding, caramel, उसको सबसे बड़ा piece चाहिए होता था. And the bun with the most sugar on, सबसे ज़्यादा icing वाला, चीनी वाला उसको चाहिए होता था bun. Millie and James were very polite. वो बिल्कुल उसके opposite थे. Too polite to tell him that his manners were very bad. But they began to wish that it was time to go home. अब वो बहुत पोलाइट थे और उनके मैनर्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे. अब वो नहीं चाहते थे कि उससे लड़ाई हो. अब वो चाहते थे कि वो अपने घर चले जाएं. Sammy lived by the seaside and it was quite a treat for Millie and James. Why? To stay with their Auntie Mary, Uncle Hugh and Grandpa. Oh, why was it a treat? Because they could go to the sea, play on the sand, play in the water and fish. They could build sand castles, paddles, go shrimping and bathe. तो वो नहा भी सकते थे, sand castles भी बना सकते थे, shrimps भी पकड़ सकते थे. If only Sammy had been a nice cousin, they would have been very happy. But he really was horrid. One day, Grandpa said that they could all go prawning, go and catch prawns on the rocks. वो कहते कि ये सब इकट्ठे मिलके जा सकते. All the three children. Can you see Sammy? Can you see James and Millie? And he said that they should all go on the rocks because the tide would be out, pani, waves, sea utri hui hogi, and would be very far out, so it would be fair for them. I'll buy you each a prawning net, he said, and I'll give 2 prizes, one for the biggest prawn brought home and one for the boy or girl who brings the most prawns home. Cook shall boil them for tea, so mind you catch a nice lot. अब उन्होंने क्या प्राइस रखा कि जो सबसे बड़ा पकड़ेगा उसको भी प्राइस मिलेगा और जो सबसे ज्यादा पकड़ेगा उसको भी प्राइस मिलेगा. और वो इनको नेट्स खरीद के देंगे. The children got very excited. Ooh, Grandpa always gave such nice prizes, and how kind of him to buy prawning nets. They all set off to the toy shop. with the money had given them, and here they are buying nets to catch prawns pakadne ke liye. Sammy had the money in his pocket. It was 60 pence. At the shop, there were 2 or 3 different nets, some cheaper than others. And what do you think? What is your guess? That selfish Sammy did. He bought a fine big net for himself, strong and well made. सबसे बड़ा देखिए Sammy ने अपने लिए लिया, right? And 2 small silly little, you can see it in Millie and James' hands. Yes, good. ठीक है. Or and 2 small silly little nets for Millie and James. I don't mind having a little net myself, said James, but I do think you might be polite enough to let Millie have a nice one, Sammy. तो कितना अच्छा brother था वो. जेम्स ने उसको कहा सैम को, आई डोंट माइंड अगर तुम मुझे छोटा नेट ले तो, लेकिन मेरी बहन जो है मिली उसको बहुत शौक है प्रॉनिंग का, तो बेहतर है कि तुम उसको जरा बड़ा नेट ले दो. डोंट बॉदर अबाउट मी, ठीक है ना, उसको अच्छा सा ले दो. लेट हर हैव अ नाइस वन, सैमी. Oh, I'm sure Grandpa meant you to spend 20 pence on each of us, said Millie. अब बिली भी बोली, उसने कहा कि 60 pence जब दिए ग्रैंडपा ने तो इसका मतलब है each one of us could spend 20 pence. I am the oldest, so I must have the best, said Sammy. Oh, so this is what a prawn looks like. Yoo-hoo! Can I have a sip of water? Okay. You are only 3 days older than I am, said James. I think you are mean. James ने कहा, तुम तो सिर्फ 3 दिन बड़े हो. And you are a mean, selfish man. Well, that's not the way to talk to someone you've come to stay with, said Sammy. Well, क्या कहा सैमी ने कि जिसके घर आके ठहरते हैं उससे ऐसे बात तो नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप मेहमान हैं, आप हमारे घर ठहरे हुए. Well, when you go out to stay, you have to be polite. Oh, look who's talking. And when you have people to stay with you, फौरन जेम्स ने जवाब दिया, you are supposed to be polite to them, said James angry. He said, you are supposed to be polite if you're a host. अगर आपके घर मेहमान आए तो you should be mannerable. Oh, let's not quarrel, said Millie. We are wasting time. Well, but Sammy will be sure to catch the most prawns in his lovely big net, said James. It isn't fair. We have only got small ones. James ठीक कह रहा था ना. We might catch the biggest prawn through, though, and there's a prize for that too, said Millie. No, she's such a polite girl. She wants to, she doesn't want them to fight. Come on, James, don't take any notice of Sammy. We'll catch the biggest prawn, you'll see. But wasn't it a pity they did not? At least James did catch the biggest one, a real beauty. But 5 minutes later, Sammy caught a monster as big as this. Woohoo! But you should have seen his whiskers. So James' biggest prawn became the second biggest. He was so disappointed. So James ने कैच किया, लेकिन सैमी ने उससे बड़ा कैच कर लिया. Sammy caught a tremendous lot of prawns. His net came up with dozens and he counted them carefully when he put them into his bag. Millie caught 22 and James caught 20. All Millie's prawns were rather small. She had no big fat ones at all. उसके पास कोई भी बड़ा नहीं था. 22 उसके थे, 20 James के थे. Never mind, whispered back James. Oh, he'll get both the prizes. I'd rather have no prize at all than get one by cheating. His net can catch lots more than ours, so he has cheated. At tea time, Grandpa came out on the steps of the house and rang the tea bell to call them home. और जब शाम को चाय का वक्त आया तो स्टेप्स के ऊपर आए और उन्होंने बेल रिंग की. किसने? To call them home. Hurry up! Called Sammy, pulling up his net for the last time. उसने कहा जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ. It's time to go. My, what a lot I've got! 57. I shall get both prizes. Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Millie and James said nothing. They put their bags around their shoulders and began to see how disappointed they are. And look at how disappointed they are. Okay, they put their bags around their shoulders and began to step across the rocks to go home. Sammy was in such a hurry to get to Grandpa and show him all his prawns that he began to jump from one rock to another instead of going carefully. और Sam क्या कर रहा था? वो एक रॉक से दूसरे पे एक्साइटमेंट में कि उसको सारे प्राइजेस मिल जाएंगे. बस जी, he was not being careful. Look out! अब फिर भी जेम्स उसे कहता है, be careful, you can fall, you'll slip if you go quickly, Sammy. Pooh, said Sammy scornfully. उसने इस तरह मजाक उड़ाया. I live at the seaside all the year round and you don't. I'm good at jumping over rocks, you see. और वो शो मारी उसने कि मैं तो यहीं रहता हूँ और मुझे तो आदत है रॉक्स पे जंप करने की. Excuse me. It's getting warmer, but still the weather is nice, isn't it? Okay. But just as he spoke, his foot slipped on some seaweed and splash! He slipped right into a deep pool almost up to his shoulders. You can see. Who's this Sammy who was showing off, bought the biggest net and was now in the pool? What a pool! Oh my God! Help! 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 He screamed. Millie and James ran to him as fast as they could, pulled him out, and how wet he was and how frightened. उसकी जान निकली हुई थी कि कोई उसको वो डूब ना जाए. And oh dear me, he had spilt every single prawn out of his bag. और सारे prawns उसके नेट में से गिर गए थे क्योंकि वो पानी में चला गया था और वो downwards हो गया था. Yes, every one of 57 prawns. What do you think of that? They had all fallen into the water and were nowhere to be seen. Boo! Sammy, who was a dreadful coward. I was nearly drowned and all my prawns are gone. See, he's not even brave. He doesn't have the courage to lose things. Oh, और वो डरपोक भी बहुत है. He was a coward, डरपोक. They all went home. Sammy still crying. Grandpa came out to see what was the matter. Good grace, you don't mean to say you're making all that noise simply because you fell into a pool? Don't be silly, Sammy, I'm ashamed of you. और grandpa ने जब उसको रोते सुना और पूछा कि तुम पूल में गिर गए थे इसलिए डर गए थे. उफ, मुझे तो शर्म आ रही है. I'm ashamed of you. You are such a small-hearted, coward little boy. I have spilt all my prawns with Sammy and I had the most and the biggest too. Go in and get some dry things on and then come to me again, said Grandpa. And stop making that noise, whiny noise. कोई हमदर्दी नहीं की ग्रैंडपा ने. इसमें क्या, ये तो एक गेम थी. गेम पे इस तरह तो नहीं करते ना. James and Millie went in to wash their hands and Sammy went to change his clothes because he was all wet. He had fallen. Grandpa sat down on the balcony. And he looked at the 3 prawning nets. फिर अब Grandpa बैठ के nets की तरफ देख रहे. Can you see the nets? He's looking at the nets. When he saw that one was much bigger and better than the others, he was astonished. He frowned very hard. उनके माथे पे बाल आ गए. That's not fair, he said. But perhaps the two boys let Millie have a bigger one. उन्होंने अच्छा ही सोचा कि इसलिए ऐसे हुआ है कि बिकॉज सैमी और जेम्स बॉयज थे तो उन्होंने अच्छा वाला नेट, बड़ा वाला नेट मिली को ले दिया होगा. Do you think this is what happened? When all three came out to him, wondering what the prizes were, he looked at Millie. I suppose you had the biggest net, my dear, he said. No, Grandpa, this is mine. She showed the small net, said Millie, showing him a small one. The big one belongs to Sammy. Do you really mean to say that you were selfish enough to buy yourself that big net and get the others those small ones? Said Grandpa to Sammy. He was so disappointed. Oof. Sammy went very red and hung his head. अब उसको scolding मिल रही है. अगर सिर्फ अपना सोचोगे और दूसरों का परवाह नहीं करोगे, सब देख रहे हैं. Do you really mean to say that you were selfish enough? Oh, well, I think it was a very good punishment for you to slip into that pool and lose all your prawns, said Grandpa sternly. I'm very happy that you lost them. Now then, which of you two, Millie and James, caught the biggest prawn and the most? Grandpa, I caught the biggest prawn and I caught the most too, said Sammy. I lost them all, but I have won the prizes, really. Oh, Grandpa is stern. वो fair हैं. I said the prizes would go to the ones who brought home the biggest prawn and the most. जो सबसे ज़्यादा लाएगा और सबसे बड़ा लाएगा. You didn't bring yours home, you dropped them in the pool, and I think it was a very good thing you did. You mean, selfish little boy. Even if you had brought them home, you would not have won the prizes fairly. ये तो cheating थी. जाहिर है तुमने ज़्यादा पकड़ने थे बड़े नेट के साथ. So तुमने cheating की. मैंने फिर तुम्हें प्राइज देना भी नहीं था because you bought yourself the best net. I am ashamed of you. Go indoors and don't let me see you again this evening. Oh, Grandpa was so upset. When Sammy going indoors. And stop that noise, called Grandpa. Sammy stopped it. He knew that Grandma would spank him if he didn't. Okay. James got one prize for catching the biggest prawn and Millie got one for catching the most. Do you think he sahi hua? Thank you. Thank you, Amina. And Millie got one for catching the most. James' prize was a fine sailing boat. Woohoo! And Millie's was a new spade. Yoo-hoo! They were so pleased. Sammy called James. See how good-hearted they are. Come and help me to sail my new ship. Don't cry anymore. We'll be friends. Sammy came out, wiping his eyes. He looked ashamed. I'm very sorry I was mean. I won't be selfish anymore. You really will be friends with me. I know I was horrid. मैं बहुत बुरा मैंने किया आप लोगों के साथ. Well, you were horrid, said Millie, but we'll forget it. Let's have tea and then go out and sail James' new ship. So what is the best way to forgive, to forget and move on? आप माफ कर दें, भूल जाएं और फिर से फ्रेंड्स बन जाएं और आगे चलें. जब कोई आपके साथ चीटिंग करता है या झूठ बोलता है या जाती करता है, सेल्फिशनेस दिखाता है या मीननेस दिखाता है. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Let me know. Lovely to see your sparkly eyes. Yes. So enjoy your weekend. Always help your parents. Be kind to people who are less fortunate, who are poorer, need help. Thank you. Bye-bye.